Unlock the power of your data by seeing it come alive across the map, state by state. Today, we're going to learn how to visualize your geographical data, categorized by state, giving you incredibly powerful insights into regional trends and patterns. First, ensure your data is organized. You'll need a column clearly identifying each state and another column containing the numerical values you want to visualize for that state. Next, we'll import this data into our mapping software. Look for an import or connect data option and select your file, whether it's a spreadsheet, CSV, or another format. Once your data is loaded, the software will recognize the geographical boundaries. Now comes the exciting part: mapping. We'll choose a visualization type for state-wise data. A Choropleth map is ideal. This means states will be colored based on the values in your data. You'll select the state column to define the geographical areas, and then the column with your metric value to determine the coloring. The software will automatically generate a legend, showing you how the colors correspond to different data ranges. See how easily you can now spot regional differences. Perhaps a particular state shows exceptionally high sales, or a group of states are experiencing rapid growth. This spatial representation turns raw numbers into actionable intelligence. It helps you understand where your focus should be, identify successful strategies in certain regions, and make truly data-driven decisions. By visualizing your data state-wise, you gain a clear, visual narrative that can drive significant improvements. Start mapping your success today.